The 2026 Jeep Recon is nearly ready to hit dealerships, which is why Jeep will finally let customers start customizing their open-top electric off-roader using the online build and price tool. For the first model year, the Recon will only be offered in the trail-rated Moab trim level, starting at $68,990, including the $1,995 destination charge. Other trim levels have yet to be announced for future model years. With the configurator now available, we can take a look at what colors, options, and packages will be offered on the Recon, and how expensive this electric off-roader can get if a customer decides to check all the boxes. Overall, Jeep has kept the offerings fairly limited, likely because the Recon won't be a high-volume product like the Cherokee or Wrangler. For 2026, 8 exterior hues are offered: bright white, hydro blue, red hot, 41, ceramic gray, diamond black crystal, silver zenith, and juice. White, blue, and red are all available at no cost. 41, a military-inspired green, gray, black, and silver cost $595, while orange is the priciest at $995. All of these colors can be paired with a black roof for an additional $995. 18-inch machine face-painted wheels come standard, while a more militaristic-looking 18-inch aluminum wheel is optional for $500, both wrapped with all-terrain tires. The only other exterior options include additional mirrors for $695, so you can still see what's behind you when the doors are removed, Mopar rock rails for $1,995, and a paint protection film for $595. Buyers can choose between two interior colors, Global Black and Joshua Tree, a light brown. A $1,995 comfort package adds ventilated front seats, heated second-row seats, an interior camera, and an auto-dimming rear-view mirror. Like the Wrangler, the Recon is available with a sliding Sky One-Touch power top, priced at $1,995. The only other notable items to add include an all-weather cargo tray for $200 and an all-weather floor mat insert for $170, both from Mopar. If you plan to tow with your Recon, a trailer tow group rolls in 7 and 4-pin wiring harnesses, a Class 3 receiver, blind spot monitoring with trailer detection, and trailer hitch zoom for the rear-view camera. Since the EPA only rates the Recon at 222 miles of range, we doubt too many owners will use it to tow. If you add every single available option and the most expensive juice paint, the Recon comes out to just under $77,000, not including destination.